Tonight, we are digging deeper into a new study out today looking at how the Badger State as a whole is doing when it comes to mental health. And the results are a mixed bag. Good evening, I'm Melissa Langbut.
And I'm Eric Rotek. The report found that while Wisconsin is doing well compared to some other states, it's also lacking in some key areas. News 9's Nick Robinson joins us here with a breakdown.
Eric, Melissa, I spoke to some of the researchers who put together the report, as well as doctors who focus on mental health and well-being. Everyone I spoke with agree the Badger State is struggling with its mental health, and there are also plenty of solutions.
Everyone should really prioritize and safeguard their mental health.
That's the sentiment being shared, kicking off Mental Health Awareness Month. A new report from the Wisconsin Institute for Law and Liberty found social isolation has been causing a decline in mental health across the Badger State. Miranda Spint, the author of the report, says the amount of people feeling isolated has been skyrocketing since the pandemic.
The lockdowns alone were, quite directly stripped us from our support systems, not being able to see people in person.
Spint tells me it's important to lean on loved ones for support when you can, a concept she calls social capital, saying not having a steady support system can cause real damage.
That's almost exactly what social capital is when you don't have the usual support networks of your communities. You're not cultivating relationships with your family or friends.
And as important as it is to have a support system, we can't always rely on family. That's why UW Health says professional help can help bridge the gap.
But don't hesitate to get that professional help. There are experts out there that can help you. Don't have to suffer alone.
One of the ways that Mergain said you can overcome mental health struggles is to plan things ahead of time so you can be excited about the future.
It's so important to have positive things that we're looking forward to. So think about planning something each week that would be enjoyable, pleasurable. You might even plan some things throughout the year that are larger, like a vacation.
There are a lot of resources that have been made available over the past few years, whether you're feeling depressed, anxious, or even suicidal. And if you're feeling that way, we urge you to call the 988 Suicide and Crisis Prevention Helpline. In studio, Nick Robinson, News 9, WAOW.